Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay a lot for a little when you can spend a little and make a lot? Today we're going to make Copycat Cracker Barrel fried apples. We're going to slice each apple into 8 segments. We're not going to peel it. The recipe calls for Golden Delicious apples. I couldn't find Golden Delicious, so I'm using Red Delicious. And if you don't have this nice little nifty thing, just use your knife and cut them in 8 pieces. This makes it so much better. To a pan over medium heat, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once butter is melted, we're going to add our slices to the butter. We're going to cook them for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring them gently until they're light brown. In a separate dish, you're going to add half a cup of apple juice and a 1/4 cup of water. And to that, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. And then get your tiny whisk and give it a tiny whisk together. And we're going to set that aside. Now that our apples are turning a little golden brown, we're going to take that cornstarch slurry that we made of our apple juice and water and add it to the pan. We're also going to add in 1/8 teaspoon of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of ground allspice, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to add in 1/4 cup of corn syrup. We're going to stir that together. Now once it starts to simmer, we're going to cook for another 8 to 10 minutes until the apples are tender. And we don't want them mushy, we just want them tender. We want the sauce to thicken up and become syrupy. Now that the apples are done and nice and tender and the liquid has turned to a syrup, we're going to turn off the heat. We're going to let it cool down a little before we eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That is very good. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.